There you go.
Đến bao ngày xuân đi qua đôi bước em về làm dâu kéo theo đàn trai măng măng nàng ơi anh tới em đón em về.
Hey guys, so I'm currently on my way to Tony's scooter, and a few days ago my Vespa started acting up and wasn't really starting the way it should. Then at first I thought it might be something minor, but it looks like the battery probably needs to be replaced. So it actually makes sense because it's already been about 2 years since I last changed the battery, so I guess it's just time for a new one.
Bánh mì heo quậy,
Mấy
bắp cải, măng vịt.
So just got my banh mi, and now I'm off to the shop.
Alright, time to go.
Xin chào. What's up?
Hey.
Hey, going down again.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you, bro.
Vào đây.
Đâu vào đây.
Lên chỗ này. Bye bro.
So the bike's battery has been changed, and now it's time for me to head back home. And thank you, and see you on the next.